Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, it's all completely normal. The Rubik's Cube is not fake. Oops. So let's crack on. So you want to get started by having your Rubik's Cube and then just pulling with all your might all the pieces off. This may take a little while depending on how strong your Rubik's Cube is. But this one isn't that hard to take apart. And so say that you just have the randomest Rubik's Cube ever and you've been trying to solve it for days. You can just do this. I actually just tested that format before I started I just tested that how to do it before I started recording. But so that's why I have a full Rubik's Cube. I had a full Rubik's Cube, now I have a bunch of pieces. So this is my Rubik's Cube. It could be different for you. Some of them have a circle. So first things first, you want to start off choosing one of the color sides. I'll start off doing, that's blue, by the way, blue. So you want to find all the pieces that are blue and then sort them out. You want to sort all of the pieces that are blue out, and I'm going to do that and get right back in. Okay, we're back. And so after you sorted it, if you have a Rubik's Cube like mine that looks something odd like that, you should have 8 pieces in total that have blue. So then you want to start off at a corner. You want to get your first blue piece and make sure. Okay, so let's go blue, red, and white. Blue, red, and white. So then you want to find, well, that was fast. You want to find one that has blue, red, and white on it. You don't have to do it in that order, but that's just how I decided to do it for the video. Then after that, you will have to, if you want it to be supported, you want to find a red and white piece. If you don't want to hold it the whole time. So while I'm finding that, you can admire my pumpkins. Okay, here we go. So when you get that on, so you want to put the red and white piece between red and white. Red and white. So the colors match. So then after that, then you can put your red, blue, and white. So you've already got 2 pieces up. So then you can put your blue and white piece on. You can put your blue and white piece on. You have to find it. Here it is. If you hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. So then you should have 4 whites if you choose to do it like I did, and 3 reds and 3 blues. So then you can put your blue and one of your blue and red stationary middle pieces in. And then, yep, you should have 4 reds, 4 whites, and 4 blues. It looks like it's green, but trust me, that is blue. Green, blue. Just trust me on that. Okay, so then you can put in your blue, orange, and white pieces. You want to start out by doing your blue, orange, and white corner piece. That's the easiest way to just start out at a corner piece for every new color. So then, when you got that, you can put in your white and orange stationary piece. I'm just going to call them stationary pieces. Here we go. Once you attach that in, once you got that situated in, you can move on to the next thing and do the blue and orange stationary piece. Sorry about the time wait, but this is about the time it should take you to find yours. Here we go. I completely forgot. It was in the pre-sorted blue section. Here we go. Now we have 6 blues, 6 whites, and 3 oranges. So then you should have a little curved piece on the yellow side and the white, and the yellow side and the green side. I'm gonna go and start off on the yellow side. The best way to start out on the yellow side, on one of the sides, if you get it like that, is to put if you do it yellow, you want to do yellow and then blue. Trust me, that's blue. So then you want to do the yellow and blue stationary piece, which happens to be right here. To put that in, you got to suture it in, like so. Here's a little warning. It may hurt your muscles from pushing. And then you can put in your red, blue, and white, your red, blue, and yellow pieces. And then your red and yellow pieces. Oops. Sometimes you put it in wrong. That's not that hard to fix. Just take it out, pop it out, put it back in the other way, the correct way, I should say. There we go. We got 6 reds, 8 blues, 4 oranges, and 4 yellows. Now, we want to do the blue, orange, and yellow piece. Oops. And then, if you do it correct, then you'll have a full set of blue. That's not green, that's blue. Your yellow should look like that, your orange should look like that, and your red should look like that. But, so in case this piece doesn't go flying, you want to put your orange and yellow stationary piece in between it. But not yet, because then it would close off the entire green section. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your green, yellow, and red piece, curved piece, and make it go all the way over here. And then you want to get, so this guy doesn't move around, your red and green stationary. Now this is where it really gets hard to put the pieces in. So if you're having trouble putting the pieces in, what I do is I just get it like that and turn it like a regular Rubik's Cube. So then you want to get your yellow orange, and green curve piece. Here it is. And now we have a full thing of red and a full thing of blue. And then you want to get your green and yellow stationary piece. No, your green and yellow. Wait, yep, I think that's what I said. Oops. If you need to pause the video, if you're having trouble putting them in, then you can do that. Here we go. Sorry about the wait. There we go. Then you want to get your green and white piece, stationary piece. Here it is, and then you want to hook it on into there. So to get that in, you want to turn the yellow side a teensy bit so that you can suture it in. I'm going to cut ahead in the video till I get that on. So 3, 2, 1. I meant 3, 2, 1. And so we've got that piece finally in. It actually took me about 5 minutes to put in. So then you want to get your white, orange, and green corner piece, which happens to be right here. So then you want to push that through there, and then all you need to do is put your green and orange piece, stationary piece, in, which may take a little while too. Which, to solve that, all I did was take out this piece. Solved that the last time. All I did was take out that piece. Oops, it seemed to have kicked off another piece. Oh, that was the piece that we originally had, and it's mixing up everything great. Okay, here we go.
How do you say the main part of the store?
Okay, so then you want to put the yellow and green piece back there, and the orange and green piece back there. It will be hard, trust me. So I'm gonna cut ahead in the video. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I kinda still can't put it together, but I did. So I'm gonna do it on camera, no matter how hard it is.
There's no hurricane, huh?
Don't they have a blowing
I know, I'm
wind
looking, I don't see a wind.
Okay, so I just figured out how I did it. Wow, that took a lot longer than expected. Okay, so if you're having trouble with this last piece, what you need to do, you need to put it in and just push as hard as you can. Push. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3. Ugh. So it's kind of hard. Second to last piece. Okay. Oh, wait, I remember. You need to put this last corner piece in, and then you want to stick this last piece in. And then you want to push as hard as you can. I did it like that, pushed both my wrists on it. So there you go. We got my Rubik's Cube back together again. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you like those really, really good pumpkins. I mean, look at that. That's like a foot stem. So, thank you. And happy Halloween. Bye.